We know the area of the whole painting is 4,800, and we know we have a rectangle. And the way you find the area of a rectangle, you multiply the length times the width. So the length times the width. Well, the length, if this is W up here, this is W here. So the length is W plus L. Area equals W plus L for the length. And the width, of course, is L. The problem is we have an equation with two unknowns. So we need to figure out something. We also know that this L is equal to W, 3 W's. And I think that's going to be what we need because we're trying to find the width of each of the four rectangles. So the area they tell me is 4,800. I'm going to plug that in. I'm using this equation here. Equals W plus L. Another name for L is 3W. Times 3W. So this is 4,800 equals 4W times 3W. And that's going to be 4,800 equals 4W times 3W, or 12W squared. Now divide both sides by 12, and that's going to give me 400 equals W squared. And now take the square root of both sides, and normally that gives me a plus or minus, but we're not going to use the minus because we're talking about the width and it has to be positive. So the width is 20.